In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete avatar in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to watch out for so you can remove an avatar confidently and avoid accidental deletions. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Heygen. In the results, look for the official Heygen site, which should clearly show the brand name and the correct domain. This helps you avoid spoofed or misleading pages. Click the correct link to open the site. Once the home page loads, click Sign In. Use your usual login method and proceed to your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly on your dashboard. Take a quick moment to make sure you're in the right workspace or team, especially if you manage multiple accounts. The avatar you plan to delete needs to live in the workspace you're currently viewing. Next, open the Avatars section. Depending on your layout, you might find it in the top navigation, a sidebar, or within your library. Give the page a second to load your avatar thumbnails. If you have many avatars, it can help to use search or filters to quickly locate the one you want to remove. Find the specific avatar's thumbnail and hover your cursor over it. Look for a three-dot menu icon, often represented by an ellipsis, or a small gear icon that opens settings. Click that icon to reveal the options for this avatar. Before moving forward, double-check that you've selected the correct avatar, especially if you have versions with similar names or looks. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete. Sometimes the option might be labeled Delete Avatar or Remove, but it serves the same purpose. When you choose Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. Read it carefully, because deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. If this avatar is used in any ongoing projects or templates, consider whether you need to replace it there first to avoid broken links or missing visuals. When you're sure, confirm by selecting Delete or Confirm in the prompt. The avatar should be removed from your library. If it still appears, try refreshing the page. Occasionally, the change takes a moment to reflect. If you encounter a permission message, you might be in a workspace where only admins can delete assets, so check your role or contact the workspace owner. That's it. You've successfully deleted an avatar in Heygen, safely and cleanly. Thanks for watching. And remember to review avatars periodically to keep your library organized and up to date.